Click on the link below to get price. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Quadcopter Drone with DJI RC2 controller is an impressive piece of technology that seamlessly combines portability with advanced features, making it an ideal choice for both hobbyists and professional content creators. Weighing just 249 grams, the Mini 4 Pro is exceptionally lightweight, allowing users to easily carry it anywhere, whether for outdoor adventures or travel. One of the standout features of this drone is its 4.3 CMOS sensor, which captures stunning 48MP stills and 4K video at 60 frames per second. The image quality is remarkable, producing vibrant colors and incredible detail even in challenging lighting conditions. The enhanced HDR capabilities ensure that your shots are well balanced, offering both bright highlights and deep shadows. The new AI-based features, including SmartTrack and FocusTrack, make it easier to follow subjects or create complex shots with minimal effort. The DJI RC2 controller complements the drone perfectly, featuring a 5.5-inch built-in screen that provides excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. The intuitive interface and customizable buttons allow for seamless operation, ensuring that even novice users can quickly get the hang of things. Battery life is another strong point. The Mini 4 Pro can achieve up to 34 minutes of flight time, which is impressive for a drone of its size. The improved obstacle avoidance system, using advanced sensors, provides a stronger sense of security while flying, allowing users to navigate through tight spaces without fear of collisions. In terms of usability, the Mini 4 Pro excels with its quick setup and easy app integration, enabling users to edit and share their footage effortlessly. However, the drone's compact design does come with some trade-offs. Wind resistance is not as robust as larger models, which can affect stability in gusty conditions. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Quadcopter Drone is a powerful, compact, and feature-rich device that elevates aerial photography and videography to new heights, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about drone usage.